Now, there is no single gene that determines an individual is likely to be a gay or a heterosexual. A new study on human sexuality has spoiled the traditional ideas of the existence of what was earlier described as a possible single gay gene. The largest study of its kind is based on genetic analysis of almost about 500,000 people. And experts say that it provides one of the clearest pictures of genes and its relationship with sexuality. The study states that 5 of the genetic markers were quote-unquote significantly associated with the same-sex behavior, but even these are far from being predictive of a person's sexual preferences. The study concludes that genetic factors accounted for most 25% of the same-sex behavior. The rest is attributed to a complex environmental factors such as upbringing and personality. Now, the study also puts to rest the idea of a so-called gay gene, a term that was coined in the year 1993 when studies in genetics and sexuality were still pretty nascent. Let's delve a little deeper at what the study talks about and how it is important. In the early 1990s, genetic researchers were determined to prove that homosexuality was somehow hereditary. Studies were conducted on twins, and a particular gene on the X chromosome was identified as the reason behind being gay. But this so-called gay gene theory was slammed as being narrow and faulty, and over the years, scientists worked towards understanding a more complex connection between genetics and human sexuality. And this latest study is now stating that homosexuality cannot be attributed entirely to genes, and that there are other environmental places that can in fact contribute to the way sexuality develops in an individual.
It's time for the I Told You So dance. This is just my I Told You So dance. Liberal pseudoscience. Genes don't even work that way. They don't even know they're a gay gene, but that's even how genes work. They don't make concepts, they make proteins. There is no evil gene or courage gene or helpful gene or loving gene or compassion gene or party attitude gene or creative genes.